Hi there everybody, and welcome to another video. On today's video I have this Toyota CHR. This is a 2019 model, and I'm going to show you how you can replace the battery on this remote, because sometimes you may get a message. I don't have a message at the moment, but you may get a message there saying that the battery on the remote, it's running low and you need to change it so it doesn't completely deplete, and then obviously you wouldn't be able to access the car unless you access it with the emergency key, which is the one that's just sitting in here. So you flick that and then this pops out technically. Not sure I can do that with one hand, but okay, there we are. So you flick the little switch and the key comes out, and then you can access the car. And then if the battery was completely dead, in order to start the car, I think you would have to put this close to the somewhere close to the button there, or the side of this panel, but that's in your manual. Anyway, having said that, let's get on to changing this battery. Okay, so here's our key. In order to change the battery, you just want to flick this open, as I showed you a few seconds ago, and take the key out. And then with the key, same key, you put it into that little slot there, and you twist that. Just do it this way. Put it in the slot and twist this, and that will open. Like so. And then try to keep it all together, but what we want to do is take this bit out, and that's where the battery is, and that battery is a CR2032. So all you have to do is sort of press it in a little bit, press it backwards, or whichever way you want to, that way, press it back a bit and lift it up. So all we're doing is releasing it from these two little clips. So CR2032, I think the most common battery there is. I've got one here at Duracell, and ideally what they say is try not to leave any prints on the batteries, so they don't affect the contacts basically. So put it in there, just press it in and push it in, and that is pretty much it. Now the reason I am changing my battery is because I did have a message come up the other day, and today it didn't come up, but it just means it's in need of a change. So there we are, and then I can put the key back in there, and that's it. There's no need for any programming or anything as such. This should work straight away. So let's just go to the car and I'll show you that it is actually working. Right, so here's the car, here's the fob, open and lock. So no need for programming or anything, just change the battery and it should work as normal. So anyway, having said that, I hope the video helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you all in the next video. Thank you for watching.